In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to top ways to use Loom. Think of Loom as your shortcut for clear communication. You hit record, show your screen or camera, speak naturally, and share a link instantly. Let's walk through the top ways to use it effectively, with simple tips to make each recording more useful and easier for your audience to follow. Start with client updates, especially helpful for virtual assistants. Instead of long messages, record a quick video updates that shows exactly what's done and what's next. Keep it concise, title it clearly, and share the link right in your client's preferred channel. Visual progress plus a short explanation saves time and avoids misunderstandings. Use Loom for tutorials and how-to videos. Walk through steps on your screen while explaining what you're doing and why. This works beautifully for YouTube, client training, and standard operating procedures. Before you hit record, outline the steps you'll cover, speak at a steady pace, and pause briefly between actions so viewers can follow along. For feedback and revisions, review designs, videos, or documents on screen and point to what needs changes. Use your cursor intentionally, zoom in when needed, and be specific with timestamps like at 0:45, adjust the headline. It's clearer than typing long explanations and reduces back and forth. Build team training and SOPs once and reuse them. Record processes from start to finish. Store them in organized folders and keep titles consistent so teammates can find what they need. If a workflow changes, record a quick update and replace the link in your documentation. Personalize sales and client outreach with short videos. Introduce your services, explain an offer, and close with a clear next step. Turn on your camera bubble for a friendly, human touch, and keep it under 2 minutes so it's easy to watch immediately. When you need to explain a complex idea, break it into parts and use visuals like diagrams or a quick screen sketch. Speak plainly, summarize key points at the end, and link any reference materials below your Loom. For bug reporting or tech issues, record the exact sequence that causes the error, show the full screen, capture the message, and briefly describe what you expected versus what happened. This gives developers or clients everything they need to act fast. Do project walkthroughs to present finished work, highlight features, and guide clients on how to use it. Pair the tour with context on results and next steps. Repurpose recordings into content for YouTube, TikTok, or Reels. Trim the